Hello and welcome to UX Testing. In this video, you will learn to conduct remote user testing using the UX Testing platform. Today, we will take you through the entire process of creating a new project, conducting user experience tests, and analyzing the results. Let's get started. Creating a project by using Wizard or Dashboard. Project name, pre-survey, task, post-survey, and inviting testers will be set up here. Click on the green Create Project button to make a new project. Fill in your project name and description. Turn the facial recording button on if you wish to film the tester as well as the screen. Don't worry, you can adjust this later in the project settings. Click Create Project to continue. Choose a test platform. You can test with the native app, mobile web/prototypes, or websites across desktops and mobile devices. If you selected the App tab, click Android, iOS, or both operating systems to test out your product. If you expect to do app testing with your iPhone device, you need our SDK. If you click the Mobile Web and Prototype tab, you can paste any website or share link from any prototyping platform that allow prototypes to be accessed via a browser like Envision, Marvel, and Proto.io. If you chose the Desktop tab, enter a website link to test out your website on Mac OS or Windows. Then click Next. Set up a pre-survey to understand the demographic by creating custom questions such as rating scales, multiple choice, checkboxes, or a free response that you want to know about your testers. Create your first task and survey by filling in a task name and description. You can add survey questions with the Add a Survey Question button. Dig deeper into user insight by adding up to 4 types of survey questions. Then, you can create the second task and task survey. Setting up a post-survey helps you collect more high-quality data after each user testing session. The System Usability Scale, SUS, and 4 kinds of custom surveys enable you to measure the satisfaction and the usability of your product. Then, you're ready to fill in your testers' email addresses to send the testing code invitation straight to them. Click Finish and you're ready to start a test. You can edit the pre-survey, task, and post-survey on the dashboard before you start the testing. However, you will only see the results once you start. For example, to test a mobile website, your testers first need to download the UX Testing app from the Google Play or App Store. Fill in the testing code and click Enter. The screen will show the project name and description. Click Next to continue. The tester will then be informed on how to start and stop the test. After pressing the Start Testing button, the tester will fill in the pre-survey, demographic, and custom questions. Then, the task description will pop up. Press the Start Recording button, and the screen will automatically start recording. If facial recognition is turned on, the front-facing camera will start recording as well. The tester can now perform the task and shake the device to complete the test. The testing video will be uploaded automatically to the UX Testing website. Every test is saved as a separate video. The tester will be asked to fill in the task survey. After finishing all the tasks, testers will be asked to fill in the post survey that can also be customized by you. Click Send to complete the test session. In the Session tab, it's simple to see all the results that are based on different testers. See the data by clicking the tester name. Pre-survey, task video, and post-survey will be presented here. In the Collect tab, all the task video will be presented here. You can filter the video by different task or features like emotion detection or heat maps. While watching a video at the video page, our collaborative platform helps you communicate with team members easier. You can leave comments about what you observe in the video to make further research easier and to inform others. After leaving comments, clicking the timestamp can direct you to the moment that issue happened. Add tags to organize the test videos. Use the share link to let others see one specific video without having to share the entire project. The details state information about the device used for the test and its operating system. Label the video as successful, partially successful, or a failure, and the results will be shown as the success rate on the report page. Using the Report Issue button, you can add descriptions of what happened during the test. This data will also be stated in the comment section of the video and listed in the Reports page. Under the Survey tab, you'll find the survey responses for that specific test video. Visualized survey data make it simple to understand testers. Under the Emotion Detection tab is an emotion analysis for the video. The graph shows the tester's mood throughout this video. Under the Reports tab on the dashboard, we provide an entire user testing report for you to view and download results. Here you'll find general UX Matrix data like daily test report, SUS score, device reports, and the duration time. The success rate and issue numbers, which are defined by you in the video page, are also included here. The pre-survey, including the demographic questions like gender, age, education level, and residence, and 4 custom questions like rating, multiple choice, checkboxes, and free response will be presented here. Next, the task survey and post-survey will also show you how the tester's feedback helps you get the most out of user research and uncover user insight. This concludes our introductory video. Good luck with your user experience research, and until next time.